5 DIY natural skincare recipes for radiant skin. In a world where chemical-laden skincare products dominate the market, there's a growing trend towards embracing natural ingredients. Making your skincare products at home not only ensures you know exactly what goes into them but can also be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are 5 simple and effective DIY natural skincare recipes to help you achieve radiant and healthy skin. 1. Honey and oatmeal face scrub. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of finely ground oats. Directions: mix the honey and oats until you have a thick paste. Gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Honey is a natural humectant, locking in moisture, while oats gently exfoliate, leaving your skin soft and smooth. 2. Avocado and yogurt face mask. Ingredients: 1 half-ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Directions: mash the avocado until smooth, then mix in the yogurt until well combined. Apply the mixture to clean skin and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. 3. Coconut oil and sugar body scrub. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar. Directions: melt the coconut oil if solid, then mix in the sugar until well combined. Gently massage the scrub onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees, then rinse off with warm water. Coconut oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin, while sugar buffs away dead skin cells, revealing a radiant glow. 4. Green tea toner. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, optional. Directions: steep the green tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then allow it to cool. Remove the tea bag and add apple cider vinegar if desired. Transfer the mixture to a clean spray bottle and spritz onto clean skin or apply with a cotton pad. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which help soothe and protect the skin, while apple cider vinegar balances pH levels. 5. Jojoba oil and lavender facial serum. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 3 to 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Directions: mix the jojoba oil and lavender essential oil together in a small dropper bottle. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck, gently pressing it into the skin. Jojoba oil closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer, while lavender essential oil has calming and healing properties.